agreement on.
Thank you very
all
much.
fronts.
Social Democrats, Deputy Holly Cairns.
Taoiseach, we know from media reports that the Minister for Health was urged by legal advisers to introduce legislation to allow government to forcibly close meat plants. We know entire counties have had to close down on account of meat plants. We know a plant with 226 cases in Cork never closed. And we know meat plants have been a consistent problem in terms of clusters of Covid-19 posing a serious risk to workers and public health. And we now know that the Department of Agriculture is worried that some plants are becoming complacent. To date, no move has been made to introduce this legislation, so I'm wondering, will you introduce legislation to allow government to forcibly close meat plants?
Taoiseach.
I think, first of all, again, we have to make sure we're fully informed, generally all of us, in terms of the dynamic of this virus and how it affects particular settings. 27,000 tests have now been undertaken as part of a serial testing programme in meat plants across 80 plants since the 21st of August, with 107 positives. There had been a view prior to the serial testing programme that it was the plants themselves were generating, if you like, and were the origins or source of the virus. It seems now, if you look at that objectively, that may not be the case. What may be the case is that people are coming from outside bringing the virus in, and the difficulty then is conditions, yes, within the plant can be conducive to a rapid spread. But the point is, the idea of bringing in specific legislation for specific sectors, the Health and Safety Authority have powers already in relation to workplace and in relation to making sure that companies adhere to the health and safety practices that should apply. But I'm not making any commitment to introduce legislation of that kind. Obviously,
all right, thank you, Taoiseach. Deputy Paul Murphy.
But sorry, the plants are not,
please,
as of
deputies.
now.
Deputy Paul Murphy.